Diaspora Digital Media, the voice of Africa. News you can trust. Let's go!
Waking up to the truth, yeah, we stay on the grind. Credible stories, the best you can find. From the halls of the power to the business scene. Tech and the sports, keeping the vision clean. Breaking the news with a professional touch. Credibility matters, we love it so much. Politics, culture, and the entertainment glow. Everywhere you go, DDM in the flow.
Updates on the move, anytime, anywhere.